Installation of ice maker. Open the accessory package. Quickly take out drainage pipe. Operating manual. TV tape. Ice shovel. Inlet pipe. Install drainage pipe. One end of the drainage pipe is connected to the machine drainage outlet. The other is connected to the underground drainage outlet. Install inlet pipe. Unfold the inlet pipe. One end of the inlet pipe is inserted into the machine's inlet. The other is screwed onto the inlet faucet. Wrap TV tape to prevent water leakage. Screw on the inlet pipe. Turn on the inlet faucet. The installation is complete.